How to hide notes from someone on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily hide notes from someone on Instagram. But before we begin, don't forget to like the video down below and subscribe to our channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now, let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram, and to add a note on your Instagram, all you have to do is simply swipe left on your screen to access your chat section. So simply head over to your chat section, and now on top you have an option to share notes. So just tap on it. So you can share a song if you want, you can share a short video if you want. I'm just going to share a note. And then from here, you are going to select your audience. So right now it's selected to followers that you follow back. But if you tap on it, you can choose close friends. So you can only select the people that you want to show this to. So for example, if I just want to show this to these two people, tap on done and then tap on share. So just go back and then to choose your close friends. Now you can only share this with specific people. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.